Hey, what's up, Winjas? This is Maya, and today I'm coming at you with another hip, because that's just how damn tight you are. So I've been exploring this hip mobility fluid sequence that I've been working on, and it feels so good, and you're gonna feel like a freaking ninja, Winja, and you're gonna be all lubricated, and you're gonna be ready for a date night, and whatever the heck floats your boat. So I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna break it down. We're gonna start in a nice deep 8 deep squat. Just like this, you're gonna be like, damn! If you guys are not doing this every day already, what are you waiting for? Get your ass down on the ground. I want you doing this instead of standing. I want you doing this instead of sitting. You gotta talk on the phone? Hey, what's up? Get your ass down there. Okay, we're gonna start here. This is advanced, so if you're not ready for this, go back to my hip mobility video way back in the day where we're gonna get you ready to do things, cool things like this. From here, woo, internally rotate, okay, you're gonna do a few of these. Already you're gonna feel your hip like, as you get more comfortable, lean into it a little bit more. Oh my gosh, hip flexors are like, get back to the deep 8, internally rotate, bring out that knee and then lean into this, squeezing this glute back here, letting this hip flexor stretch. Always returning back into that deep squat. Internally rotate, open the hip, and squeeze the butt, stretch out the hip flexor. Yo, I'm starting to sweat. I got one more before I gotta take a break. Oh man. So once you're comfortable doing this with the extra of that, we're gonna add on. So from the deep 8, we're gonna sit back down with control, and then we're gonna do a little bit of 90-90 shin box action. Here you're gonna get comfortable doing this, and then we're gonna do another add-on. You're gonna pop up for a little bit more hip flexor action. Do the transfer. Woo! Oh, I went ahead of myself. Okay, do the transfer. So we're gonna do a few 90-90s. Make sure you're feeling good. Have some music on, like, yeah. Pop up on the knee when you're ready. Transfer. Pop up on the knee when you're ready. Transfer. Pop up on the knee. Make sure your butt is squeezed. Now, the third piece of the puzzle, I'm gonna take this leg here, the one in front of my body. I'm gonna bring it right there. 45-degree angle to myself. And then I'm gonna lean into it, Captain Morgan style. Just explore movement. There's no rules. As long as you're able to move pain-free and you're enjoying yourself, do whatever the heck you wanna do. Most of these flows that I come with, it's just me exploring movement, telling my body it's safe to move this way because I've worked on the mobility throughout my whole life. And so when it's time to come up with these, when it's time for me to explore movement, it just feels so natural. Boom, boom, boom. Just feel comfortable. Flowing through it. And Captain Morgan style this up. And return. Okay, let's put it all together. And remember, you're not gonna look as good as me, trust me. You're gonna keep trying, you're not gonna be so hard on yourself, and with daily practice, you're gonna get better and better every day. I certainly didn't start out like this, but because I like to play with movement and I like to explore, then it just becomes so much easier. All right, so deep squat, boom, boom, boom. Deep squat, boom, boom, boom. One on each side, sit down. We're doing it. And last, Captain Morgan. Now let's put it all together. Yo, my hips are like, I'm ready for a date night, Mike. Focus. Focus, Maya. Finish this video. And then, hey, I might sit back up and do a little bit more of that previous sequence. Oh, damn, my quads are burning. All right. Play around with that, guys. There's really no rules. So as long as you're in a nice squat, as long as you're feeling the opening action, and if you're and make sure, as long as you're not having pain, feel free to explore your body and like reconnect and be present in the moment as you're moving around. And always remember to do it with gratitude. Do you know how much your hips do for you? Always give back to it. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Maya. I'm here every week with new content to help you level up your body, level up your life. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you find this helpful. I'm on all the socials, Facebook, Instagram. I'm on Instagram every day, so you can check me out there. Everything is under Move with Maya. I will catch you next time.